Ohayou gozaimasu! We're still here in Suzhouka and I have here my beautiful roommate, Nozomi. We're off to Tokyo today, so it's a traveling day. So today is our like beauty pampering, you know. We flat iron our hair, we curl our hair. We do a lot of beauty tips here, you know, beauty regimen, I mean. So we're off to Tokyo today. And it's our time off. This is my view from my 5th floor here in Suzhouka. This is Suzhouka at 11 in the morning. So yun lang. So we're off to Tokyo today. One of my favorite cities here in Japan. So yun lang. With my roommate here. Beautiful there. Beautifying herself. So yun, see you guys. I miss everybody in the Philippines. So you take care. I hope you all like my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like all my videos here in my Japan adventure. See you. Bye-bye. Ang ganda na ng hair ko, diba? Oh, shiny. Look at my hair. I'm like Bea Alonso. Yeah, that's my peg for today. So bye-bye. See you guys. Have a great Wednesday. Is it Wednesday today or Thursday? Huh? Wednesday? Thursday. Thursday. I don't know even the day now. So, bye-bye. Look at my hair. Pwede na bang Pantene commercial or Scream Silk? Bye-bye.